Channel, it's your girl Manikeny again. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Do not forget to click that red button below, subscribe and join the fam, okay? And if you are already part of the family, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate. So today I'm going to make this makeup look for Valentine's Day. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got this. And before we start doing this though, do not forget to subscribe right now. I'm going to start with my primer, Smashbox. Let's apply a little bit of this. Oh my god, my hands are ashy. My mirror is here. Sorry that I'm looking this way. No primer, you don't need a lot. It's expensive for a reason. You know, it's Valentine's Day, so you gotta look snatched. Funniest thing is, people out there are all crazy about Valentine's Day, and I'm here doing a makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. 12 days, 11 days for Valentine's Day. I'm here making a tutorial for that. So, you fill in the brow. I don't know, I'm not so crazy about making my eyebrow so perfect. Nothing is perfect. And then the way I shape my eyebrow, like my natural eyebrow already, it already has a good shape, so it's easier for me to just, fill it in. I have to fix it now with some concealer. NYX concealer. And then I use this brush to like go in. And then as you all know, your eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. So don't judge. I'm going to go in now, prime my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. So I use some of this, put it here, and I learned that if you let your concealer sit, it blends better and stays on better. So after doing this brush blending, before I use my body blender to blend it in, I will let it sit for a few minutes. Súbeme la radio, que está mi canción, que entera ve más subiendo, Taina con te quita doro, mala junta con la luna en sol, sol, sol. And I use my Laura Mercier translucent powder because it's a white powder and we want the color of the eyeshadow to pop. We're going to set our concealer with that. And then I'm going to go in with my Perfect Color Mineral powder from Primark. I am going to use that, use the end of my body blender. And I set my primer. I am going to use my Juvia's palette, the Nubian 2. I would use this color as my transition color. I like this color right here. I'm going to use it. It's called Jezebel. I'm going to go in with it over the other one. The color starts looking better. I go with this brown right here. So I am going to go in starting from this corner and moving in. So guys, I changed my mind on what look I want to go for. This is like too basic. So I am using the Juvia Saharan palette, this one. And I am going to use the color Chad, this black kind of color. So we go in here, I'll go in here with it. Let's make this a little darker. Oh, the pigment though, that's a lot. Damn, I didn't expect it to be that much. Well, this just turned into a smoky eye, guys. The color that kind of inspired me for this to change my mind is this color here called Kia. This. And I'm going to use it now. I'm going to try with my brush. If it doesn't look as pigmented as I want, then I'll just use my fingers. The pigmentation isn't coming out like I want, so I'm going to use my fingers because they are going to do a better job. Look at how pretty this is. It's coming out. What you think? Let's put some more because we love drama. Let's make this dramatic. I like it. What you do? What you think? Then I'm going to use this brush again to blend out. So guys, because I chose this color, this bluish metallic-y color, I decided to pop in some gray contacts that would help the color, pop. So I'm going to go in with my Essence eyeliner and line it up. And what I do, my tip is I pull my eye, and this kind of helps me get the liner right on point. Before I put on my lashes, I go in with my mascara. Put some mascara on your natural lashes so that you blend in better. So it's Valentine's Day and we want to look extra. So I'm going to go in with these crazy lashes. I've used them before, so don't judge me. I already have my glue on the lashes. This side of my face already looking like La Bomba. See? I am going to do my foundation. So I got this Bobbi Brown long wear weightless foundation tester. So I was like, well, why not try it on while doing this video. Going to blend it in with my body blender. So look at how good it blends into my color. Even though I still feel like it's a little bit red. Maybe I'll go back there to the shop, do another swatch, and then decide which of them I'm getting. So I am going to use my Kat Von D, my new favorite, Lock It Concealer, because it blends really nicely. Like, let's make this black girl magic happen. I let it sit because it blends better before I blend it. I could actually go out like this. Na na, ooh, da da, do do do. She wanna see me tonight though. I tell them say no they go. Say they ring down my bell already. They say I'm ready, 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 yeah. My boy I give you tonight though, da da. My boy I give you tonight though, da da. Yeah yeah. You wanna give me tonight though? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just see the ring down my bell already. You wanna ready, 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 yeah. My boy, I give you tonight, oh, da, da. My boy, I give you tonight, oh, da, da. And just like magic, the dark circles got locked down. It just disappeared. Poof. I am going to set with my Laura Mercier translucent, and I'm not baking, I'm just pressing the powder in and moving on. Then I go with this my powder brush and I, you know, try to blend it in. I use this eyeshadow from Trend It Up from the drugstore. I use it as my contour. I go with my blush brush and then I do my cheekbones, but I don't do a lot because I don't know, I'm not a big bone contourer kind of person. So I'm going to use my blush from MAC with the same brush. It don't matter. Instead it helps me like blend the contour and the blush when I use the same brush. So highlight, I'm going to go with the Trend It Up Natural Glow. We are going to put a little bit more because we love drama. I am going to go in with my Lemonade palette. This color that is pinky but not too pinky, and I'm going to apply that on top of what I already have. I'm going to go back into this Saharan palette from Juvia in this color Lulu, and I'm going to take a little bit of that and put in the inner corner. Let's complete the look. I'm going to use the dark color, this chat that I use up. I'll use it here, you know, smoke it out. And then the Kia color, metallic color thing, I'll put it right in here. So I go in with this pencil, I would draw my waterline. Mascara. The chestnut pencil from MAC. I wanted to do this red lipstick. This lipstick is from PS. I hardly do a bold red, but I think I like this. I'm going to finish up this look with my Prep and Prime MAC Lavender, the new collection. It's so refreshing. You could use this kind of red depending on what you like, but I prefer deeper wine red color like my top. So I am going to go in with this color. It is from Colourpop Liquid Matte Lipsticks, the color Lax, and I'm just going to put it over this. Oh, this is my type of red. So because it's Valentine's Day, aka drama day, I will go in with this Victoria's Secret Aqua Case Shimmer Spray. Let us shimmer and pop. We have to glitter. It's a day for flower, roses, and glitter. Forget about chocolate. So I'm going to okay, rub it in. Ooh, look at this shimmer. I love shimmer, 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 shimmer. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me change my look, you know, from basic to baddie. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe right here, right? You know the song, you know the drill, okay? I will leave my next video here, right here. Please watch it. Please watch it. Please watch it. Please watch the next video. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm waiting for your comments though. Let us chat. Happy Valentine's Day in advance, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.